Guys, I had a question about flat-footedness, so I figured I would just make a quick video talking about how to help our feet if they're flat-footed, what to do about it. So yeah, here we go. Here is my foot. Now I have fairly high arches, but to understand foot anatomy, you have your ankle bone in here, and basically what it does is it rotates in and it rotates out, and depending on the rotation will affect the arch of your foot. So if I rotate it inwards, I'm bringing it this way. What that does is it gives us much more flat-footedness, and if I rotate the other way, then I get this really high arch here. So if we're flat-footed, what it means is that we're also, it's called internal rotation. We're rotating this way, so we're like this. And you'll also notice that this side of my ankle shoots inwards, and if we're high arched, then we're more outside this way. So to help with flat-footedness, one of the things that we can do is strengthen up the muscles underneath here. And the way I'm going to do that is by trying to bring my toe through my foot to my heel. And it's a very small movement, but I'm basically doing this. Now, I don't know if you'll really be able to see it in the video. You can kind of see it, a little bit of movement there. But what I want to do is, I'm really contracting here. I'm really pulling all of this together. So that's one thing you can do. The other thing that you can do is more in this part of the foot, and I'm not quite curling my toes down. I'm not doing this, but I'm almost like pulling my toes. I'm tightening my toes. I don't really know how else to explain that. But what we're doing here is strengthening, yes, the muscle of the feet, but also the muscles of the calf here, because they wrap around and pull everything taut. So we got, one is contract the arch, two is I'm tightening up the toe area, and the third thing that we can do goes back to that rotation here. So if you're flat-footed, you're likely like this. So what you can do is practice rotating like this. And so what I'm doing is I'm using the muscles on this side to pull my foot from here to here. And you can just practice like this. So my foot's just hanging, and I'm just pulling in. Now if you have a band, like some sort of elastic band, then what you can do is wrap it around your foot, and the band's going to be pulling me like this, and I'm going to pull it the other way. So let's see if I can just grab a band here to actually show you. Okay. So, got a whole bunch of exercise equipment here. What I'm going to do is the band is pulling me like this, it's pulling me this way, and I'm going to resist it. It's a little bit awkward for me to do this while holding the video, but I'm going to resist it and pull my foot. Yeah, I'm going to pull my foot this way. Because remember, what we want to strengthen is our ability to pull the foot out and not let it collapse in this way. So the collapsing is weakness here and too much tightness here. So we are strengthening this by pulling our foot up. All right. If you have any questions with that, leave a comment, let me know. But they're fairly small exercises for you. The other thing that you can keep in mind is, as you're walking, see, am I on the inside of my foot? Am I being flat-footed? Or am I on the outside of my foot? Am I high arch? Or am I somewhere in between? Yeah, let me know what you get from that. All right, talk to you soon.